Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the basics are ready. Charge both earbuds and power them on, then pair to your phone. Once paired, open the Jabra Sound Plus app so you can access device settings and confirm firmware is current. Make sure your phone's media volume is up and disable other connected audio devices to avoid conflicts. By starting here, you remove common connection issues, which means adjustments you make next will directly affect the earbuds rather than an app or phone problem. Now you'll change volume using several methods so you get precise control. Use the earbuds touch controls. Tap or press the right or left bud according to your custom mapping to raise or lower volume. Check mapping in Sound Plus. Then adjust your phone's media slider because app-level volume can limit sound. If the audio still feels low, open Sound Plus and adjust the equalizer or enable a volume boost. This changes perceived loudness without distortion. Make sure to test with the same track to compare. Finish by testing with music and a call so you confirm levels for different scenarios. Save any preferred Sound Plus presets so you can switch quickly between noisy and quiet environments. If one earbud is quieter, swap ears to check balance, then reboot the buds and your phone. If controls still misbehave, repair the device to reset the Bluetooth link. This often clears stuck volume states. Troubleshooting tip. If volume remains low after all steps, update firmware and, if needed, perform a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.